Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching me from, whichever time you have, wherever you're watching me from. I just want to appreciate you guys for watching my video, for subscribing, for liking and pressing the bell notification. Hey guys, I'm so excited to come in to share this one with you. The version of the men for commitment. Hey, if you see many calls, so many have called me, quickly do the one of men, or not only for women, quickly. And so many men gave me thumbs up and say, wow. I'm not trying to say I'm perfect. I'm learning just the way you guys are learning. Yeah. I'm so glad and happy that you guys really love the topic, commitment. So today, without wasting much of your time, we are diving into that of the men, which says commitment. Hey. Oh yeah, wear your cocoa shoe, carry your drink, cross your leg, may we listen. It don't set. So as we all know, we are doing comparison with our day-to-day life and of the Bible. Yes, we are doing it comparison. Is it inside the Bible? Have we been seeing it? Is it in the old? Yes, everything we are seeing today, we have it already there. So let's just do the comparison. Let's dive into it without wasting most of the time. Let's dive into the topic today, which is commitment, that of the men version. We've talked of the women before. Commitment, that of the men. What is a commitment or submissive? Commitment. When somebody is committed to you, when somebody is submissive to you, when a man is submissive to a woman, you know me say, not be a woman they submissive to men. When man they submissive to woman, you know me say, I want this, I do want this one, I do want. I don't use my wife play, or I go drop my wife for work before I go work, all those things. You know me say the man are fool. Today now women get this one. You know me say the man are fool. You know me say the woman not supposed, the man not supposed to be better pass you. You know me say if not be me, another person not go fit manage am. You know me say without you the man not fit live his life. No, because he dey committed to you. I don't want to put the word say love you. He dey committed to you. He dey submissive to you. Your juju dey cash am. Without you going to a native doctor. Now where you just like to be, like I felt talk on my last video, say where your treasure is, there your heart will be. Now anywhere where your money there, when your investment, then are there your mind, they always think towards God protect them from me, this, that. So anywhere where your money there, now your investment, anywhere where your investment, then now your heart, they always there. So now so it be now there the man invest all his life put. Now there the man get investment put. Now make am. He dey committed to you. Not be say without you no other person. No, he just want dey committed to you. Now make am dey committed to you. He dey committed to you. So we'll talk about the men today. You know, say so many men when they committed to women. You want buy pad, you want brush your teeth, you go wear clothes, anything, even for your family, for this, for that. They always dey around you. Nothing when he not fit do for you. You will confuse, say maybe the man too dey committed to you or no other woman. Maybe because say you can't find, you can't get shape, you dey intelligent. Then you will come say, this man, no. If not be me, You know me say the man a fool, or the man not fit see anybody like you, or the man not fit get somebody way better pass you. Just that he dey committed to you. Now where he heart just one day, now he dey for there. Not be your intelligence, not be your beauty, not be your shape. Because I don't see many women wey get shape, intelligence, popular, everything. The man want waka, go still waka. So not look say na your beauty, your intelligence, your shape, you know how to cook, you this, you that. As they talk and say, you get breast, you get nyash, you get sense, you can't sabi cook. Normally you be wife material. Not be that one, oh. Somebody son go find me one day. Not be by that one, you know. I just want to make it. So any man where they committed to you, sister, hey, auntie, mommy, grandma, anyone where you be for inside. See, look for rope, oh. No, they say rope. Tie and join. You see that ghetto where you they wear? Put on before you wear your ghetto. Tie your ghetto, tie the man on top of your ghetto, make it dey inside you. Not put on top of your ghetto. Put am before you tie the ghetto on top. Use your ghetto, take band down. Say, bind us together, Lord. Bind down around yourself. Because there is difference between men where they committed and men where don't care. I don't care. There's difference between caring and I don't care. Man where they committed to you, he go post your picture. He go there around you 247. If he never see you now, like he go they call you. He go they do anything for you. In fact, he won't build you, even if he self never build. He want everything around you. If you want even get up, go take what I go say, no worry, you relax. Since now me dey near door, may I get up, go bring her for you. Auntie, sister, those kind men. Na yaku, not waiting that they play. Oh, you see, before you wear that get the way you they wear. Put the man first before you wear your ghetto or top so that it go down you. Use 2 hands hold on. Opportunity come but once. Those men, where they committed to you, they fit do anything. They want make you, even if they don't want, they never made. They want make you. They get you in mind. They get your own interest. Anything will concern you, now they think. Their own, they come last. Now you, they come first. Not look say those kind of men say, maybe because I fine, and because I get shape, normally I get sense, because I be cook. So you be wife material and be like that. Be like that too. So many women they package past that one. They get money, they get sense, they get shape, they get bread, they get everything. Like that is so. So not just good. If you get that kind of man, sorry for the play. Before you get your ghetto, as I talk on before, including me, anything what they talk, I don't remove myself. Put down for the cloth before you tie your ghetto on top. Because if I say, may you use rope, somebody if you draw the rope now, you go lose. The man go fall. So nobody go fit lose your ghetto unless now you lose one by yourself. Put the man inside, tie your ghetto on top, make it deal with you. Because not use their meekness for weakness. Not use their meekness for foolishness. Not use their meekness or their kind-hearted for sluggishness. Or you say, you not fit now. You go fit try and if you get person like me, who tell you? You get person way better pass you. Before you even pretend they don't die, they don't take over. Sharp, sharp. So don't ever make that mistake as a woman. Today, I talk to the women for men version of commitment. When you see man where they go parents meeting, you see man saying a parents meeting they go. You see man where they drop your children for school. You see man where if they come, you know what the children need, they go do shopping. You see man where even a nyam back home. You even get her for men, maybe nyam no go day house or rice no go day house or this one. He back home. Those one are men where they commitment. Men when know what to be family. Where they commitment, we know say my children and my wife must chop first. Even if me wear rag, but if my wife come out, first we bring this kind of woman come out, we say my wife come out at least. First we look and go say, your husband they try, or your children, and those kind of men. That be men where they committed. Not be the one where be say infide or gegebu. His wife and the children they'll be like ask girl with the follow things. You not see your mate, not they see your mate, you not be this, you not be that. That's also to they use mark, they run you down. Now you know. Because you know consigner, you know even they committed. If you like, you stay. If you like, come out. You know consigner, you know even change the life or add anything or remove anything. You stay at your own cost. You come out at your own cost. Maybe that's kind of one. You see those one we go say parents meet today go take excuse for work. Parents meet today anywhere where they go they run they come. Parents meet today or this. Man we go fit carry children go barb their hair. Man we go fit carry pikin go find salon say may they do this pikin here today. No this pikin hair door off. Man we I dey reach ground for house. Man we not they hide the phone. Where if your phone they ring you go go shock. Don't know who they call. Man we not they cheat on a wife. Man we no say that they pamper woman. Man we no say woman a treasure. Man we no say woman come first, ladies first before man. Man we they open door for your wife, make the entire motor. I know say most of them go, na by open door, not be by open door. Not be by open door, but any man where they do those things. Auntie, sister, mama, grandma, anyone where you be. I'm not telling you me use rope tie am. See, I describe am for women who has made the men use and bet them join their trouser, because now you go fit pull the bet of your trouser and make them use rope something tie and join themselves. You see women they wear ghetto. Put the mat first before you wear the ghetto on top, so that you go die kakabo. Those one are men where women want to use body. If you be woman, get that kind of man, sister, not use that play. Oh, man, we know it to be family. Man, we know it to be family. He say a man that cannot take care of his household is worse than an infidel. Maybe man, we know it to be family. He know it they call family. Say yes, this one a family for me. I'm the one be say, parents meeting. They what you they do? You know go. Some men, they don't even know their children's school. If they even know, they don't even know their children teacher, whether mistress or master. They don't even know. If they even know, they never even get their number. If they never ever call the one day or even ask, I just want to know, how my picking they do for school, if they do well, those things. They never even get conversation. They never know be principal. They never know be English teacher or math teacher. They never want to know how many they are picking the scores for English or math. He never that will not be the, he never consign them. No, they talk those things rich where they did. Normally, not be those kind of men who they find. Those men where they are picking will come. You don't do your homework, finish. Let me cross-check. Have you been able to do your homework today? Did you do your homework? Did you do this? Those men where they carry. Baby, you don't even rest this morning. You somewhere as I see you, so you look stressed up. Okay, go relax. Wait till you remember what they will do. Those one I be men. Men. When they say men. Wait till you remember what we'll do now. Wait till be this, wait till be that. You know? Don't be the ones. Once if you go work, come. He go tell you, say, the rest things now you know as you want to do your life. Children need this one. You know, concern me. I don't want to bring now, go bring. And those kind of men, I defend children pass. You know, born boy, you born girl, you born girl, you born boy. You know, can't get now. Only two you born. You know, one born Jonah. You born three, born four. You need picking, and you know go fit take care of the picking. See the women. Yes, I know say they pay for all those things. Never worry you. Now, of course, they hip on the head. Don't say if I talk and so tired, bless I hate me. I don't hate me. I don't hate them. You know, bless I they talk too much. More enter. More do comparison. More first of all, more check Ephesians 6 from 7 to 10. Ephesians 6 from 7 say, do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatsoever a man sow, that he will also reap. For he who sow to his flesh will be he who sow to his flesh will of the flesh reap corruption, but he who sow to the Spirit will of the Spirit reap everlasting life. And let us not grow weary while doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart. Wherefore, as we have opportunity, let us do good to all, especially to those who are of the household of God. Those of our household and the household of God. Your man bucket or your wife not get clothes for house, now you go back clothes, that's your friend wife. It makes sense. It don't make sense normally. Your wife not get clothes. Your wife not the dress wear. You go buy clothes, go dash your friend wife. And most of them will be men. They do this thing. If you see my friend wife, after 3 children, after 4 children, after how many children, it still they looks like, you know, as your husband they help her. You where you want you use load, pile of load, take your own for inside house. You don't even know that she go chop. You don't even know that the children go do anything. You don't even know that they go do one thing. And you come, call the talk, say, my friend wife, my this wife, they do comparison. Why you not do comparison? What your friend they do for your wife? Maybe you call they do one for your own. We'll take another verse. More open Ephesians 5 verse 25. 5 from 25, because this one are men own. He say, husband, love your wife just as Christ loved the church and gave himself for her, that he might sanctify and cleanse her with the washing of water by the word, that he might present her to himself a glorious church, not having spot or wrinkle or any such thing, but that she should be holy and without blemish. So husband ought to love their own wife as their own bodies. He who loves his wife love himself. As a man, if you love your wife, you love yourself. Not be me talking. Ephesians 5 verse 25. If we also enter that Ephesians 6, we'll start from 6. Ephesians 6 from 6. He said, not with eye service as men please, but the heart. See, I say, not with eye service as men please, but as bond service of Christ, doing the will of God from the heart. Not as eye service, but doing the will of God from the heart. Many people not to say, no, do it from your heart, because I want to take care of my wife, I want to take care of my children, I want to do the right thing. I felt talk one day, I say, for a man taking care of your children, you say you help your wife or you help the children. You are doing yourself, because you are not just doing it, but you are doing the right thing. And anybody will do the right thing must surely get blessings from it. He must surely get blessings. Say the blessings of God giveth riches and added no sorrow. The children where God give you, the woman where God give you, you confuse say not be blessing to you. What are you going to get? Now sorrow now. Now sorrow. So more continue. Verse 7 say, with good will, doing service as to the Lord and not to men. With good will, doing service as unto God, but not men. Because most of when I say, hey, now the woman they help, because they help you to train your children, because like what? And they always they hear this word from men, Matt. And they help you to train your children, you not happy. Brother, sister, who get picking? Which person name the picking they be? If they want come out now, say me they come find who get picking. I talked to one brother one day. When the man talked to me, finish, I laugh. You know, if you backlot for woman, you know, go struggle for yourself. You backlot for the woman, but you marry the woman and you call her your own. Now your own. My wife. What will be the meaning of man? Now our wife or your man and your not the same. Your wife become your own. Now your property, your investment. E good, e no good though. Now you everybody go they look on. Your own. More look verse 8. He say, knowing that whatever good anyone does, he received the same from the Lord, whether he is a slave or free. Any good way you do, whether you be slave or whether you be freeborn, you go receive one times 10 from the Lord. It be like when they say pressing together, measuring, we're shaking together. As a man gives, so shall he receive. There is no two ways about it. As you give, so shall you receive. As you give, so shall you receive. We'll take the last one. Say, and you, master, do same thing to them, giving up, treating, knowing that your own master also is in heaven, and there is no partiality with him. You see, so there's no partiality. No partiality. When I be me go say, hey, I pay for house. You know, go struggle to pay for food. You know, go struggle to this one. You are doing partiality. Oh. You are doing partiality. Partiality. I mean, pay school fees last month. May you still buy a book? Seriously? Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Like, seriously? Did I hear you well? Did I hear you right? I said to Motonata, it's your responsibility. So many men don't know their responsibility. Whether you are okay now, so many people they tell me say, you know, say for Europe, only one person not go fit. So you want them to say God, he not know when they share and say there is Europe and there is Africa. You tell me now. I don't see many many black people where they even do more than that. They go take care of their wife and all the needs. The woman know they work. Since when they can't enter this country, the woman know they work. It go see they take care of the woman family for house. And they're not man like you. All fingers are not equal. Must your own be the shortest? Must you compare yourself with the evil ones? And we also bomb and matter. Your wife go be like rag, they follow you. Can you be comfortable? Like, seriously, let's talk to ourselves. You as a man will say you not fit dress your wife, you not fit buy. But if you see another girl for outside, one another person maintain, another one, but girl for outside will come meet you, say, you need this one. Commitment. If man they committed to you, know the shame of you. Whether you wear rag, whether you not rich, whether one eye they pay you, one leg they pay you, he's always around you. And he go they post you, and he go they show you. That be man where they committed to you. Man where they committed to you. You dare not to say my wife now. Don't try her. Whether you cook food where good or not good though, and that one I go eat. Because why they committed to you? If they committed to you, man where they committed to you, he no go raise his hand on you. He no go shout on you. If you want correct, he go correct you with love. After all, Bible say, let's correct one another with love. They tell una say, spare the child, spare the rod and spoil the child. Una own, now spare the rod and spoil your wife. Now wife they put for there been a child. Your wife not child. Now you want trainer. Who my way that big so you go marry now mama, now baby. You correct with your mouth, not with cane or beating. You can only beat a child, not a woman, not a grown-up. Even those children, to some extent. Now we be me, mona the trial. I beg. Commitment. You not go cheat on you. You not go they hide. You not go they hide before anything. And you not say men. There be visible being. No? If man they sleep with two women, you go know instantly. If man able give woman belly for us, you too know. Or let's say you be woman will not just want to pay attention. You not go feel hide that. Number one sign. If phone, if you dey baffle, if your phone ring, you know don't look. I say most of them don't look that video, that funny video where we say the man phone they ring, he rush come out to say bedroom with soap and everything. Fall for grand, fall again. And my mama they call. Why? Because this is a side chick. If woman start to sleep with you, if man not they committed to you, they know as a woman just that you don't want to pay attention. He go stop to deny you of sex. You're not attractive to her anymore. Those things where they make una they laugh before, you go look and serious. You know they take her to be anything again. Those quality time one they get before, you know they get that time for you again. One they eat together, wait for a month, come eat. And we go say, I beg eat now. If I not there, you not feel it. You know? Children where they follow the play, I beg, I don't tire, I don't do this because what it they you go do see her once because men are visible being. They cannot compare two things at the same time. They don't feel they run two things at the same time. It go show in them. Any little thing where you do, it go cause argument or quarrel. It dey find everywhere to rip you off. It dey find everything where go provoke you, make you come out by yourself or make you rip you off. So maybe they be visible being. They not feel adapt two things at the same time. You know, say I talking for my women who say, woman feel born pikin will not be your own for you. You go train that pikin to university level. You not go know as a man. The woman knows say not be you get that pikin. Man not go fit. They know they feel they hide that. You know, he must carry pikin come so. He must do this so. He must. Man not they feel they hide that. The woman, he go deal with you. Because why they be emotional, they can do 30 things at the same time. Everything will come out right. But men, you as a woman say you don't know. Now once they show. All those little things where they make una laugh before, even if you do millions, he go tell you say not they funny. He go they avoid you of in fact, you as a woman, you don't fit to say you don't know. Because men are visible being. He go they avoid you. Anything where they talk not the entire year again, anything where they do not the attractive, any food that you cook not the sweet, not because he want commot, he body the inch, he not fit. If you even want to sleep with yourself, another woman name you go they call. May not be like say, and once you gonna say not they commitment again. We'll read one more verses from the Bible, which is Romans 12. Romans 12 from 13. He said, distributing to the needs of the saints, giving to hospitality. Bless those who persecute you. Bless and do not curse. Rejoice with those who rejoice, and weep with those who weep. Be of the same mind towards one another. Do not set your minds on high things, but associate with the humble. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Do not be wise in your own opinion. Things in the sight of men. Do not be wise in your own opinion. It's also okay. Doing in this sight of all men. He said, repay no one evil for evil, having regard. Listen, he said, having regard for good things in the sight of all men. Having regard for good things in the sight of all men. See some men. The way they treat their woman with their life. The way they treat woman. It be like tissue paper where you take clean and show away for inside toilet. You be man. Which man go manage am? Na manager and the manager I go see many girls where they run after me. Like seriously? Man, tell una one thing. One thing una no know. Popular demand. It different for demand with this scarcity. Popular demand, what everybody can afford. Now you be if people they run after you. You know how many people they run after because you are affordable. They can afford you. That is why they run after you. Yes, I said it. You are affordable. That is why they can run after you. That is why they can run after you. Now everybody go fit buy SUV. This a Dodge Jeep. Now everybody go fit buy am. Now everybody go fit buy this latest Benz. It is possible. Camry 2.2 or old Benz 190 or a Camry or what is they call her? A Venza. Should be anybody wey waka go there go buy. If you not fit buy new one, buy second hand. I get, I not get. Person wey never chop belle, if you go scratch it, go enter SUV or go enter Benz or go na Ferrari one go carry. No, nah, because it's not affordable. It's not everybody that can afford it. Yes, sir. If I look somebody, you tell me say, hey, you know people they rush after me. Hey, you should be ashamed of yourself because you be popular demand. That means they feel they afford you. Popular demand, pure water. There you be. Scarcity. You know they call scarcity. Scarcity. If people hold you, if they see you when you dey scarce or market, if they see you, they know they go back say, may I go find go give me money or make I think twice before I buy and they go collect am once. What is they call scarcity? So that make me tell my husband say, if you be woman, you see men will get these qualities. Put on for inside your belly before you wear your girdle, so that you not go fall. And if you be man, you dey proud, say because you be this, you be that. When your wife don't help you build house finish, when you not get land, your wife go help you build house, do everything. Come made you. And that time you go know say, a leg not stand. A leg too tiny for that, big for us, small for that. You not get nice shape. If you see shape, you see guess where they don't follow me. You won't guess. Where the day when the woman they suffer? Where the day? Woman where they committed to you. You as a man. You know if they committed to woman. Man where they committed to woman, you know they cheat. What be the meaning of cheating? Insatisfiable. You are not satisfied with what you have. Because if you are satisfied with one plate of rice, there's no need of asking for more. You are not satisfied. You feel saying that the other, you feel saying that mama put on, now better pass this Mr. Beast, or you feel saying that Mr. Beast, now better pass mama put. You are not satisfied with what you have. You not go gain anything, you not go add join, you not go change your name. Rather, you reduce yourself. He say a man will be reduced to a crunch of bread just because of what? Lot. I don't talk about my past video. If you just say that your wife you they do, now your woman you they do, now your children you they do. I want use this me that sit 10 men. I don't feel they talk for most of my video. You there Europe, you there Nigeria, or you there anywhere for the world. Oh. That is not the end of it. There is a make parable say, oh my mama will say, when you not get person, that be suffer, not be when you not get money. When you not get person, I be suffer. You don't see where person go home money, you don't see anything use and do. Then they call old age. I talk and one time, say, get one man. When it dey rain, carry your children, carry your wife, and children and the wife not they come Europe, we not getting what they take do. Stroke can't hold this man. All the people where they do for they follow and they drink. All of them get wife and children. Nobody. And so one man, when they young, you know, they take care of these children. You know, they do this, you know, they do that. Passion, can't enter passion. He can't enter old age. No, they even see nothing. And now they find children. Money dey your hand. You know, if you use and do anything. Most of all, they say money. When they talk say money is the root of all evil, money cannot answer it. He say money answer it. It's not all things that money can answer. If you put money for a side pot, now nothing answer you to change the food. There must be somebody to buy the things and cook it. Whether you paying the person or not, there must be somebody. So, whichever way we like to live our life, we should choose wisely. I dey Europe, I don't work money, I don't get. I tell you one story that time for one of my videos. This man, he get 9 children, he get 10 houses. Money dey, everything nyabrata, everything dey, everything nyagba. What happen? Where wahala pass for nobody know. He said the 9 house, the 10 house, all the 9 children die. No single child, no money, nothing again. He can't die. So when I tell you vanity or vanity, you might be very rich today. At a twinkle of an eye, like this, not that tic-tac this thing. Do like this, you'll be another person. You do like this, don't be another person. You do like this, you'll be another person. You do like this, you don't be another person. And so life be. So most of them are where they boast. Especially men. And they talk to una now. If you be virtuous man, if you be good man, if you be a proud father or husband, you not go remove anything for you. Rather, he say good name is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. If you see that man, the way they take care of your wife and your children, no. I respect that man. Now what if you can see you see now go to fear you? Come as they brag every day when you don't know as we say they chop. Who go which begin one fear you? You come as they do kati. I'll just beat and I'll do this one. One day the pikin go rise up or you say, what is wrong with you? Go and sit down there. You say that mama spoiler. Where mama for spoiler? In mama not spoiler anything because their eye they see. Children don't want to read book these days. Now you they read. They don't want to listen to what you talk now. What you they do now they see. You as a father, you they smoke, they drink. You call the advice your pikin may not smoke, may not drink. They womanize. You can't advise your pikin. Which advice you get for your children? Anything what you they do for this life, like as I talk for the women. Your children are the beauty in you. So likewise to the men. Not look and say, this so. Now your children have the beauty within your body. This video not today long. Nah, cut on. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please share,